Family homes come in all different sizes, so if you're looking for large, come check this one out. Inside, it's total indulgence, with AC for year-round comfort, hardwood floors, and a master retreat with a private spa. And the real magic here is outside. In your zero maintenance paradise, you've got artificial turf, a covered patio, and a garden area, which is perfect for family gatherings. Now, when I'm talking large, I'm talking 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, formal dining room, finished basement, enough space for everyone to have their own. Do you wish that your yard mowed itself? Forget the weekend work. Stop mowing, start living. Call us today.